Hey guys, that other video that was my original recent video, big fire alarm sale. Well, now I've changed it just to eBay. And, here's the price of the actual alarms I'm selling. As you can tell, as you know, only the integrity doesn't work. I've used all of these alarms before. Well, all of them. I don't think you've seen this one yet, but all of these have been used. I almost can guarantee you. And, so yeah, so far I've already got 12 viewers today. And, I hope you guys bid on it, so yeah. I guess here's the, eBay number. And that's it.